Welcome to another episode of Can She Get All the Nail Polish Off Without Leaving a Little Piece Still on One Nail? And you'll have to watch for the answer. So I hope you enjoy today's video.
No.
Stand. Okay.
No.
Oh look, your toes in my shirt, we match.
Oh, there you go. They do, don't they?
All right. So let's go ahead and we'll get Did you have a nice Thanksgiving?
Yeah, it was pretty nice.
Big
There was
group?
only 7 of us at the table, but
You know, but then that's nice. There's no drama.
oh yeah.
Well, we had enough drama with even just 7 of us.
Oh no. Is there a good story attached to that, or we don't want to go into it?
No.
Yeah.
My brother, his wife got up at like 5, 6 in the morning to put the turkey in because they were going to eat at noon. And at 10 o'clock, the turkey exploded.
Exploded?
Yes. It was like the
In the-
Griswolds.
In an oven it exploded?
Yeah.
Oh
Yes.
wow.
The breast just kind of went.
Oh,
I don't think I've ever heard of that.
He says, by all rights, everything he read, the turkey should have taken 5 hours. And at 3 hours, the timer that was in it popped, and then the breast exploded. And
So was there turkey for dinner or no?
yeah, there was. He says it was a little overdone, but they ate it.
Huh. You know, I usually watch the newspapers to see how many people burn their house down every Thanksgiving,
Oh, yeah.
trying to do the deep frying inside.
Yeah, no, that really is.
Don't see a whole lot of that anymore.
No.
But it used to be, right?
Yes.
2 or 3 people in the city every Thanksgiving would burn their house down.
yeah.
I did go over to a neighbor's once who was doing it, and he was smart. He was doing it outside, so it was not a. He had a whole thing rigged up so that nobody could get hurt.
Yeah.
It all worked out.
Good for him.
At least he did it the right way.
Yeah, it's called being conscientious.
Yes.
He said pictures. Do you have a picture of it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, the exploded turkey?
Yes.
He said we are having a Griswold
Um,
family. 'Cause
well, that is something I haven't heard of before, but did it damage the oven or anything?
No. It just the turkey looks pretty bad.
Did they forget to take something out from the middle, or
No.
no?
It's just it was done.
Okay.
and
Was it one of the
inside-
turkeys from outside my neighbor's house? You know, running around the neighborhood, maybe
Maybe.
different kind of turkey.
Yeah.
So many wild turkeys around here.
Oh, yeah, they're around our house. There's a lot, yeah.
Now this is mostly coming off, so I'm gonna just take off whatever's not attached, okay? So that it doesn't catch on anything,
Okay.
okay?
That one says enough. I've been here long enough.
It's time to go. Okay, so I'll just smooth those edges nice for you. And then it won't catch on anything. Alright. Do you want me to take all your nail polish off?
You can.
Everybody's got one toe. It has a reflex like that. Don't know why. How does that feel on that side now? Is that better?
It's better.
Just a little bit more. All right, well, everything here looks really good. Now you can go for your next pedicure and pick a different color. But let me know before you come in next time so we can match again.
Okay.
Oh, there's a little piece I missed. Hang on. It's like when the teacher would erase the blackboard and leave one little part of
Yeah.
one little letter.
That's the best part of getting your toes done.
Okay. Get your socks on. You have these fun socks. These little party dogs. Little dogs with snow hats.
Yeah. Cat.
Cat? All right. So we'll see you back here in about 2 months. And
Yeah.
thank you for letting us video.
Okay.
All right. Take care.